If I asked you where most diving accidents happen, what would you say? 30 meters? 40 meters? Deep wrecks? Strong currents? Most people would choose one of those. But many diving accidents actually happen in water that is surprisingly shallow. Today, we're going to explain why shallow dives can sometimes be more dangerous than deep dives, why experienced divers never underestimate them, and how understanding these hidden risks could make you a much safer diver. This doesn't mean deep diving is safe. Deep diving carries real risks like nitrogen narcosis, decompression sickness and increased gas consumption. But shallow dives introduce a completely different set of problems that many divers never expect. Firstly, the biggest danger is complacency. When divers prepare for deep dives, they're usually very disciplined. They plan carefully, they monitor their gas, watch their computers, stay close to their buddy. But on a shallow dive, many people subconsciously relax. It's only 6 meters. I can stay as long as I want. I don't really need to watch my gas. And that's exactly where mistakes begin. One of the biggest myths in diving is that shallow dives don't use much air. While it's true, you'll breathe less gas than at depth, many shallow dives last much longer. Instead of a 25-minute dive at 30 meters, a shallow reef dive might last 70, 80 minutes. The longer you're underwater, the more opportunities you have to forget your air supply. Another hidden danger is that the surface always feels close. When something surprises you, a fish, a boat, a jellyfish, or even excitement, many divers instinctively swim upwards. The problem? Pressure changes are greater the closer you are to the surface. A fast ascent from only 5 meters can still cause lung overexpansion injuries if you hold your breath. Many instructors will tell you that maintaining neutral buoyancy is actually harder in shallow water. Why? Because pressure changes happen incredibly quickly. A tiny breath in, your lungs expand, you become more buoyant, you rise. As you rise, the air expands even more, and now you're rising faster. Boats become the biggest hazard. Most boat strikes happen near the surface. There's a surprise. That's exactly where shallow divers spend most of their dive time. Without a DSMB, many boats simply won't know you're there. Many dangerous marine animals actually live and prefer shallow reefs. Divers concentrating on cameras often forget where they're putting their hands or knees. Good buoyancy isn't just protecting the reef, it's protecting you. Sun, heat, and dehydration are also greater risks when you are doing shallow dives. Shallow dives are often done from beaches or during long snorkeling sessions. Spending hours in the tropical sun increases dehydration. Dehydration causes fatigue and is considered a contributing factor in decompression illness. Now, because shallow dives rarely reach no decompression limits, divers often think they have unlimited time. What they don't have is unlimited gas. Many low air situations begin with just one more photo, one more coral, one more minute. Shallow dives are absolutely wonderful. They're colourful, relaxing, perfect for photographers, and ideal for beginners, but they are not risk-free. Most of the dangers don't come from the depth itself. Most come from the mindset. The moment you think a dive is too easy to require discipline, that's when mistakes happen. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, to Valkyrie Divers for practical, evidence-based scuba diving advice. Which surprised you the most? That shallow dives can increase the risk of complacency, or that buoyancy is actually harder to control near the surface? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, dive calm, dive safe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.